Organism and population. As a branch of biology, ecology is the study of relationship of living organisms with the abiotic physiochemical factor and biotic components other species of their environment. It is concerned with the four level biological organism, population, community, and biomes. Temperature, light, water, and soil are the most important physical factor of the environment to which the organism are adapted in various ways. Maintenance of a constant internal environment homeostasis by the organism contribute to optimal performance, but only some organisms are regulated are capable of homeostasis in the face of changing external environment. Others either particularly regulate their internal environment or simply conform. A few other species have adaptation to avoid unfavorable conditions in space migration or in time estivation, hibernation, and diapause. Evolutionary changes through natural selection takes place at the population level, and hence population ecology is an important area of ecology. A population is a group individual of a given species sharing or competing for similar resources in a defined geographical area. Population may attribute that individual organisms do not birth rate and death rate, sex ratio, and age distribution. The proportion of different age group of male and female in a population is often represented graphically as pyramid. Its shape indicates whether a population is stationary, growing, or declining. Ecological effects of any factors on a population are generally reflected in size, population density, which may be expressed in different ways: number, biomass, percent covered, depending on the species. Population growth through births and immigration, and decline through death and immigration. When the resources are unlimited, the growth is usually exponential, but when resources become progressively limited, the growth pattern turns logistic. In other cases, growth is ultimately limited by the carrying capacity of the environment. The interesting rate of natural increase is a measure of the inherent potential of a population to grow. Natural population of different species inhabited do not live in isolation but interact in many ways. Depending on the outcome, this interaction between two species are classified as common competition. Both species suffer predation, parasitism, one benefit and the other suffer. Commensalism, one benefit and the other is unaffected. Commensalism, one is harmed, other unaffected. And mutualism, both species benefit. Predation is a very important process through which tropical energy transfer is facilitated, and some predators help in controlling their prey population. Plants have evolved diverse morphological chemical defense against the herbivore. In competition, it is presumed that the superior competitor eliminates the inferior on the competitive expulsion exclusion principle, but many closely related species have evolved various mechanisms which facilitate their coexistence. Some of the most fascinating cases of mutualism in nature are seen in plant pollinator interaction. Gauss' competitive exclusion principle states that two closely related species competing for the same dish cannot coexist indifferently and completely inferior will be eliminated in one. This may be true if resources are limited but not otherwise. Plus plus mutualism, minus minus competition, plus minus predation, plus minus parasitism, plus zero commensalism, minus zero amensalism.